In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Telegram chat history. You can easily clear your Telegram chat history and start all over again. You can do this with all your private chats on Telegram. So there is no way to clear all Telegram history once and for all for your Telegram chatting, but you can select individual chat on your Telegram and clear their history. Now to clear Telegram history on your phone, open the Telegram application. Now select the chat whose history you want to clear. So let's say I want to clear this particular chat history. Just select this chat and click on the Telegram chat menu at the top right. Then click on clear history. Once you click on clear history, you should see a pop that says clear history. I'll show you want to clear your chat history with this particular chat. You can delete this Telegram chat history on your device and delete the Telegram history for everyone, including the receiver. So all you need to do is tap the delete button. Once you hit the delete, you should see history cleared. Then the Telegram chat history will be cleared. You can see that. So this is how to clear Telegram chat history on your device. Find this really interesting. If you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.